The 25th match of IPL 2025 will feature the high voltage clash between the Chennai Super Kings and the Kolkata Knight Riders at the MH Chidambaram Stadium on April 11, 2025. Chennai Super Kings having a tough season, currently sitting at the 9th place on the points table with just one victory in their 5 games. Their recent loss came against Punjab Kings, falling short by 18 runs despite a fighting 69-run knock by Devon Conway. Back to their fortress, CSK will be eager to turn the things around and regain lost momentum in front of their home loyal crowd. Kolkata Knight Riders, on the other hand, sit at the 6th place with 2 wins from 5 matches. Their most recent outing saw them lose a nail-biter against the Lucknow Super Giants by 4 runs despite a 61-run mature innings from skipper Ajinkya Rahane. KKR's campaign has been a mix of promising starts and frustrating collapses, and they'll be aiming to string together consistent performances to stay in the playoffs hunt. Moving on to head-to-head record in this high-stakes match. Historically, Chennai Super Kings have dominated this rivalry. In 31 encounters, CSK have emerged victorious 20 times, while KKR just won 11 games. With spin-friendly conditions expected at Chepauk, it could be a battle of wits and patience between the two sides. Now, the Chennai Super Kings versus Kolkata Knight Riders weather and pitch report. Temperatures are expected around 29 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast, scattered clouds. Pitch behavior is batting friendly, assisting both pacers and the spinners. Best suited to the spinners in middle overs, pacers early on. Average first inning score here is around 164 runs, and teams chasing have a poor record, having just 44% win rate. Moving on to CSK versus KKR predicted playing 11s. First of all, CSK. Rachin Ravindra opening alongside Devon Conway, having Ruturaj Gaikwad as the captain at number 3. Vijay Shankar at number 4. Ravindra Jadeja at number 5. MS Dhoni, the veteran wicketkeeper, at number 6. Ravichandran Ashwin at number 7. Noor Ahmed at number 8. Mukesh Chaudhary at number 9. Khalil Ahmed at number 10. Matisha Patirana at number 11. And Shivam Dubey can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Kolkata Knight Riders. Quinton de Kock, the wicketkeeper, opening alongside Sunil Narayan. Having Ajinkya Rahane, the captain, at number 3. Venkatesh Iyer at number 4. Rinku Singh at number 5. Andrew Russell at number 6. Ramandeep Singh at number 7. Harshad Rana at number 8. Spencer Johnson at number 9. Vaibhav Arora at number 10. Varun Chakravarti at number 11, and Ankuresh Raghuvanshi might come in, and Ankuresh Raghuvanshi can come in as the impact player. Now, the hot picks for CSK KKR match, Dream 11 predictions, and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Ajinkya Rahane, the KKR skipper, is coming off a gritty 61-run knock and will be key player at the top order. Quinton de Kock, despite a quiet previous match, Quinton de Kock's explosiveness makes him a top captaincy option. Now, the top picks. Rachin Ravindra, the CSK opener, looked confident in his 36-run knock and can be dangerous in the power play. Ruturaj Gaikwad, the CSK captain, is due for a big knock and will look to bounce back in this match. Now the budget picks. Harshad Rana can strike at the death and grab key wickets when KKR bowls first. Ravichandran Ashwin offers value both with bat and ball and will enjoy bowling on Chepauk track. Moving on to CSK versus KKR captaincy and vice-captaincy choices. Captains can be Ajinkya Rahane and Quinton de Kock, and vice-captains can be Ruturaj Gaikwad and Rachin Ravindra. Moving on to CSK versus KKR, Dream 11 predicted team 1, safe team for the small leagues. Wicket keepers are Quinton de Kock, Devon Conway, and MS Dhoni. Batsmen are Ajinkya Rahane, who's going to be the captain as well, Ruturaj Gaikwad, the vice-captain, Rachin Ravindra, and Venkatesh Iyer. All-rounders are Sunil Narayan, Andrew Russell, and Ravindra Jadeja. And the sole bowler is Noor Ahmed. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Quinton de Kock, who's going to be the captain, and Devon Conway. Batsmen are Ruturaj Gaikwad, Ajinkya Rahane, Rachin Ravindra, the vice-captain, and Venkatesh Iyer. All-rounders are Sunil Narayan, Ravindra Jadeja, and Andrew Russell. And the bowlers are Varun Chakravarti and Noor Ahmed. Now, the players to avoid in this high-stakes encounter. Ramandeep Singh, having scored just 5 points in the last match, is going to be a risky pick for this match. Rahul Tripathi, who did not play in the last match, so should be avoided. Now, the expert advice for CSK versus KKR match. Small league captaincy choice, Ajinkya Rahane. Grand League captaincy choice, Quinton de Kock. Punt picks are Varun Chakravarti and MS Dhoni. An ideal Dream 11 team combination is 3 wicket keepers, 4 bowlers, 3 all-rounders, and 1 bowler. Now moving on to the final segment, CSK versus KKR match prediction. Despite a rough start to the season, Chennai Super Kings are expected to bounce back at home and edge out Kolkata Knight Riders in this encounter. Their familiarity with the Chepauk surface and strong spin attack could prove decisive. So stay tuned for more of cricket analysis, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.